I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by powering and charging the Sandisk Connect Wireless Stick so it can host files reliably. If battery is low, transfers stall. Once charged, install the Sandisk Connect app on your phone or tablet and enable Wi-Fi. Plug the stick into a USB port only if you need to copy local files from a computer first. Otherwise, leave it wireless. Make sure the stick's LED indicates ready. That tells you the device is broadcasting its network, and the app will discover it immediately. You now connect and move data. Open device Wi-Fi settings, select the Sandisk SSID, and enter the password shown on the stick or in the app. This isolates traffic to the stick for fast transfers. Once connected, open the app and browse the stick's folders to stream media or copy files to local storage. Choose multiple items to speed batch transfers. Make sure to use the app's management features. Create shared folders and adjust the sleep timer. You finish by verifying transfers and safely ejecting from the app before removing the stick, which prevents file corruption. Once done, decide whether to use host network mode to share internet access or keep local only for better security. Changing modes is in the app. If things go wrong, try the simplest fix first. Restart your phone and the stick. If that fails, reset the stick by holding the power button for about 10 seconds. Once rebooted, reconnect through Wi-Fi and the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.